Hey KW family, it's Jessica Borden, your Citywide Director of Technology, and I just wanted to come to you and let you know about something that's happening in the near future. So, you guys have probably seen several times in the past that we've had some classes at the regional level called either Command Labs Day, if you've been around a little while, or Success is Under Your Command. So, what I want you to know is this class is coming back again on June the 22nd. It's going to be about 9:30 to 3 p.m. that day. So, just, it's a good chunk of time, but what I want you to know that is different about this opportunity is we're going to dig into the activities that you guys need to know how to do in this shifting market that we're beginning to see here locally. So, here's what you're going to find in this class this particular time. We're going to go over what those activities actually are, the difference between a skills-based market and an opportunity-based market. So we're going to dig into that, and we're going to then show you all how to utilize some of the tools in Command, as well as the Command app and your consumer experience, in order to utilize and execute these particular activities every day. So I hope that you will mark your calendar and join us at Success is Under Your Command on June 22nd. Can't wait to see you. Let me know if you have any questions, and click the link in order to get registered. See you soon.